Sending Bitcoin from your ZenGo wallet is simple and secure. Follow these steps to transfer Bitcoin to another wallet or address. Open the ZenGo app. Launch the ZenGo wallet app on your mobile device and log in using your facial biometrics. Select Bitcoin. Go to the Assets tab to view your cryptocurrency holdings. Tap on Bitcoin to open its transaction menu. Tap Send. Choose the Send option on the Bitcoin page. Enter the recipient's wallet address. Copy the recipient's Bitcoin wallet address and paste it into the ZenGo app. Alternatively, use the QR code scanner in ZenGo to scan the recipient's address. Specify the amount. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. You can specify the amount in BTC or your local currency. Review transaction details. Double-check the recipient address and amount. Verify the network fees, which depend on blockchain activity. Confirm the transaction. Tap Confirm and authenticate the transaction using your facial biometrics. Transaction complete. The Bitcoin will be sent to the recipient. You can check the transaction status on the Bitcoin blockchain via the ZenGo app.